MXR Duke of Tone faithfully reproduces that classic Analogman King of Tone sound. There is a tone knob on the pedal that lets us adjust the warmth, but there is something else inside. There is an internal presence trim pot which can cut high frequencies by turning clockwise. It's much more subtle in the overdrive mode. But can it make Fender sound like Gibson? Oh well, you can still recognize that twangy tone of the Telecaster bridge pickup.